Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Swavey. And today's episode is going to be an unboxing and an installation of a Samsung 960 SSD Evo. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the like button. Alright everybody, this is the Samsung 960 Evo M.2 SSD drive. I'm going to be replacing this into my personal computer. And on the back it says, discover the next generation of PC performance. And the box is pretty simple. There's nothing really on the box. And this is the 250 gig version of this solid state drive. It has a read speed of up to 3200 megabytes per second, and the write speed is 1900 megabytes per second. And again, they have like a little protector over the M.2 drive. And before we get to there, we're gonna see what's included in this case. Just a manual that says Samsung solid state drive, and just a whole bunch of information, and also it gives you little instructions on how to install into a laptop, and it also gives you a little picture of the dongle, like if you want to use the USB to SATA, so you could back up your information before you install it. That's pretty much it. Let's push everything to the side, and this is the M.2 drive. It's pretty small, firm in quality. That's it. Now we're going to see how it looks when how to install it in the system. Alright guys, we're back with our second part with our installation of the Samsung 960 Evo SSD M.2 drive. So all you're going to need is the M.2 drive and the screws from the motherboard for the M.2 drive and the support. And your toolkit. Sorry, because of the zoom. You're going to grab your smallest screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. First, we're going to install the support for the M.2 drive. The M.2 drive is going to be the third empty, it's going to reach the third empty slot. Place the screw in. Make sure it's tight, but not too tight, because you don't want to bend the motherboard and cause any problems to the circuits. You're going to take the M.2 drive, then you're going to, on a slant, you're going to push it in. And make sure you have a magnetic tip, because you're going to need it, and it's going to be handy when you go and try to screw the M.2 drive down. Just make sure it's nice and firm, but not extremely tight. And that's it to installing an M.2 drive into a computer, desktop computer. It's basically going to be the same format if you're installing it to the newer laptops that supports M.2 SSDs. So that's the end of the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you don't like, hit dislike. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.